on the internet, every little chance a nigga get go viral. Oh, I'm a woo, pray for him, you know, but, you know what I'm talking about, woo. You feel me? Then, making songs for like nigga lying, like bitch you lying or nothing. Yeah, like trying to get in the game, nigga take your ass out the game, like right now nigga drop some shit like, well you really fool, like you should have made one of your little faggot ass little sons write a rap, right? Cause that shit really like booted in. That shit really like booted in, you feel me? Yeah. Man, come on now, dog. Like, nigga, trying to call the radio, call the billboard, them, cancel their music, last time to put attention. Like, you niggas really mad because you niggas can't rap better than me, so y'all really just trying to look, okay, boo. How the hell you calling me out when you know I don't listen? How you try to put me in time out when I ain't billboard children? Waiting on for me to fall off just like that boy get it. Say they ride for me to the wheel fall off, I be like, oh really? How you tell me what came out my mouth, you don't even know this. Tiny that bitch ugly as hell, I don't even want pig it. I can't beat you niggas and talk and give me a long sentence. Know I keep the pole and I ain't no hoe, I know some rolling sixes. Ain't I'm thugging all of my lonely, but I keep some Zoes with me.